Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's episode I will show you my nice little setup, which is composed from the Bambu Lab A1 printer, my BMCU which is 370x version, my 3D printed also storage box, and also the toolbox for my printer. So overall this is my setup. Let me show you the BMCU closer. Also my filament storage box and the toolbox for the printer. The storage box can contain 2 spools and run on some bearings. So this is the BMCU. Okay, so the software version on this printer is 0105, and also the BMCU comes with the stock version. For the moment I will not do any update. I have also another BMCU, and then I will make also the upgrade. And also for this BMCU I have an upgrade kit from X version to C version, which is a little bit better. And of course, do not forget about our sponsor, which is PCBWay. In case if you need any kind of print and you don't have the printer, you can make the order from them. So it is simple. Just go to PCBWay.com. Now I will load the filament through the BMCU in the PTFE tube. Okay, so keep that clamp pressed. Okay, so the first filament it is in. Leave 1-2 centimeters here. Now I will load the second one. I know from time to time can be pretty difficult to load this filament through the BMCU, because you can get straight in these holes. So the filament is loaded. Let me to take the camera in hand to show you closer. Okay, so here you can see the filament is in the tube around of here. Another one is here. Okay. I will load a simple print in 2 colors, and you will see how it will be change the filament and the colors. Okay, I choose the print. Okay, I don't need bed leveling and dynamic flow. Okay, I have already the colors setted, blue and orange, and it is PLA. And the print will start in a few moments. What I want to show you is how it is loading the filament from the BMCU into the print header. Now the filament it is in the printer head. Now you can see how the printer is pooping to change the filament. You can hear also the BMCU how retracts the filament. It has also a bit of noise, but it is okay. And now you can see the print has started. One important thing, when you connect the BMC to the printer, all the time shut down the printer. You are curious about the printer, the BMCU, how it was made. You can find also the video on my channel. I have a full video how did I made the assembly for the BMCU. So if you are interested, look on my channel. Yes, this BMCU is the X version, was about of 70 euros from AliExpress. And I have also an upgrade kit for this X version to C version, and I will make also a full video about that. And now the print is going on. What I want to show you at this moment, it will be the way how the BMC will retract the filament and insert the new one to change the color. this is a simple print with just 2 colors, but let's see the result. Okay, and now it's happening the filament exchange. See, the orange one was retracted and the blue one is inserted. Let's see, now it will poop immediately the blue one. And yes, the blue is out. In the storage box for the filament I don't have any kind of spool rewinder, but the BMCU, it has a bit of spring and make a bit of force to retract the filament and make the change. I made this print in orange and blue to see the colors. And the print is ready. It has been cut the filament and now it will retract also the blue one. Oh, nice. So you can see in the PTFE tube the orange filament and the blue one was retracted. So overall I think this BMC works fine. Also the print looks pretty okay. The colors are okay. Doesn't have any bleeding or anything else. The colors are nice, nice and crisp. So overall this was my nice little setup with the BMCU. I know the BMCU was made time ago, but now I succeed to make also a video of this BMCU in action. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Bye.